It was so nice we had to do it twice. Let's double it up. Double it up. Come on now. Ladies and gentlemen, we're here to break records high. Let's double.
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
I still appreciate a bonus round. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Come to us. Some flips for the good luck. Leonon, if you want to do it, man. But I'm staying. I'm staying, love. 40x, 100x. Okay, so 200x is going to be the highest one. But Leonon, the doors are open for you. Do whatever you want to do, my buddy. My dear friend. Ladies and gentlemen, 200x in the corner. That's going to be the highest one. Enjoy. Take it away. Come on, come on, come on, yes, yes, no.
This is the amount of money issued, 90,981 euros.
That's what I'm talking about, ladies and gentlemen, 200x multiplier, wowawia, senorita. There we go, now we're talking. Haspic, you're going to be the top one when I say special congratulations. See you 923 winners in total. Let's keep going with the game, let's go. I knew it. I know that we're gonna break the ice sooner or later. We're the haters now.
It's time to go crazy. Go stupid, go crazy. It's crazy time. Welcome. Good luck. Ladies and gentlemen, crazy time. Flapper selected yellow, blue, green. And find out what kind of multi you get. Let's do this. Max multi 100x. We spin. Good luck. Alert! The double for yellow. Get ready to spin again. Because we spinning again, max multi 200x. Good luck. We said, nah, double it and give it to the next person. Or the next spin, because we're going to spin it again. We'll double it once more. Max multi 400x. Good luck.
This is the amount of money issued, 44,985 euros.
Ladies and gentlemen, try to put it like in Google Translate in your language. Maybe then it will work, because right now this sentence is not really sentencing. Can I jobless, you're blowing? Huh. Not sure what that's supposed to mean. Zip. Crazy time, 7x from the top slot. Do you have favorite Filipino food? I don't think I've ever tried any Filipino food. I'm hoping when I go to the Philippines, I'm gonna be able to try. Is there a chance? Is there a chance to get a crazy time with a 7x top slot? Stop, 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 stop. Yes! Yes, 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 yes. Ladies and gentlemen, oh my God. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Wow, 7x top slot on crazy time. Oh, let's go. Oh my days, ladies and gentlemen. 7x from the top slot being applied right now. Okay, time to pick your flapper, ladies and gentlemen. Green one, blue one, yellow one. Just a reminder, the blue one last time was the highest multiplier. Green got a 10x, yellow got a 15x. Now 700x is the maximum one. Let's see what we got here. Ladies and gentlemen, good luck. I wish you all the best of luck in the world. Okay, that's going to be 350x on yellow, 105x on blue, and a double on green. Almost 700x on blue there. Okay, 1.4k is the maximum multiplier. Let's see what we got, ladies and gentlemen. Good luck. Oh my days.
This is the amount of money issued, 105,472 euros.
Okay, and that's a 210x for green. So, 105x for blue.
We start with a coin flip, and there's this extra 2x multiplier as well from the top slot. Well, good way how to start the session, right? Bonus game, top slot win. Great. Let's go. What do you got now for the multiplier? 7 for the reds, 3 for the blue. Let's do the magic. Leviosa. 14 for the red, 6 for the blue. Ladies and gentlemen, we want to see the red side, and boom! We got red side. Congratulations, 14 multiplier. These players win. Well done. Moving back to the wheel. Let's go, shall we? Follow me. 10,420 for the winners. TTND, Joker, Lad, and Eddie. You're the top winners. Great. Well, let's spin again. Good luck. Here we go. Woo! Feels good, right? Feels good. We got that win. Let's keep getting the more wins. So let's go, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. The new spin. 4x multiplied. Crazy time. I'm so good. Thank you, JJV. Thank you. Back to back. Or maybe the crazy time with 4x multiplied. Come on, baby. Yes! Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we got crazy time with 4x multiplier from the top slot. Woo! Look out. Welcome and welcome to the crazy time with extra 4x multiplier from the top slot, ladies and gentlemen. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be great. The long-awaited big win is gonna happen now. Well, hopefully. Ladies and gentlemen, the wheel is multiplied. Now, dear players, it's your turn to pick that color. What is your favorite? We have 3 colors: green, yellow, blue. You can choose only one. Good luck for your decisions. I want to see the top multiplier. We're spinning for the 400 multiplier, but we can get even better multipliers by doubles. So good luck for the spins. Let's go, baby. Woo! Yellow team, ladies and gentlemen, those who picked that yellow flopper, you know what? You got double! 800 is the max multiplier. What are we spinning for? But let's not a double, maybe? Let's double up all the fun.
This is the amount of money issued, 620,087 euros.
Congratulations to all the winners. 80x multiplied for the green, 100 for the blue, and 200 the yellow. Congratulations.
10,061 winner. Congratulations, Magaball, Luca, and Ball. Top 3,8,500 euro for its winner. So, dear newcomers all aboard, welcome to Crazy Time. Let's get crazy together. Woo! Don't forget how to play better than option, of course. I love you, baby. It's 5x cash hunt. Oh, 23 say don't listen to her comments. I love your energy. So thank you so much. Whoop, whoop. It's the sound of the wind. Whoop, whoop. It's a cash hunt, baby, with a 4 times Woo! Welcome! Cash hunt, because cash rules everything around us. Hey, it's a cash hunt with 5 times multi, ladies and gentlemen. Got him! Woo! Beautiful. Incredible. 500x star multiply, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go and make a shuffle. Start right now. Woo-hoo. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's get serious. You prepare your little cannons. Open up your third eye. And may you be the one who will find the 500 times multiplier, because we got him. Woo-hoo. Yeah, baby, we got him. 500 times multi is the top multi right there, baby. So let's go. Humana. May you fight a 500x. Okay, thank you. I tried my best, okay? So let's go. I tried.
This is the amount of money issued 594,345 euros.
Found it. I hope you did. Thank you so much for playing, ladies and gentlemen. Woo! Congratulations, everybody. 14,644 winner. And got Pelta winner with 12,000 euro. Let's go. So who got a 500 right there? Woo-hoo!
Time is open now. Aminal, RB, Ruble, PKPA, and Pander. My compliments. Your top winners. Bets are open. No more bets. Thank you and good luck. Top slot Pachinko and 3x multiplier. Winning segment, Pachinko. Pachinko, always full of surprises. Let's see what it cooks up this time. Now, some multipliers. Available at Pachinko. 3x, that's 7, 10, 20, 25, 35, and 100, and a double. And a 3 times multiplier from the top slot. Ooh-wee. Now, maximum multiplier is a little bit bigger now. Maximum multiplier is 300x. Good luck. This is for the BMF title. All right, we got it right where we want it.
This is the amount of money issued 985,357 euros.
Round of applause, everybody. Woo! Man, that was as beautiful as Max Holloway KOing the highlight. Here we go again, players. My compliments on incredible wins. And let's continue. Bets are closed now. Multiply them. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Crazy Time, the name of the game. Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. Follow me, please, if you will. All right. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the bonus round. Take a look at this wheel. There's 3 flappers, ladies and gentlemen. Hashtag ballin'. Now, you get to choose a flapper, players. Is it the green one, blue one, or yellow one? They'll get the job done for you. You can let the game decide for you as well. Now, decision time is over. Maximum multiplier is 100x, players. I wish you good luck. Oh, Wendy went with the green one? All right, ladies and gentlemen. We have a 10x on green, 15x on yellow, and a double for the blue flapper. So we'll spin the wheel one more time, but not before we improve the value of the multipliers. 2 times. Now, maximum multiplier is 200x. Players, good luck to you. It was so nice, we had to do it twice. Let's double it up. Ladies and gentlemen, maximum multiplier is now worth 400x. Can you dig it? Why not? Double it up. Come on now. Ladies and gentlemen, maximum multiplier is how much? 800x? Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, we're here to break records, highest gates, highest pay-per-views, highest attendance. Let's double it up. Maximum multiplier is 1,600x. Let's double. We're in no rush. It's called compounding interest, I believe, if my TikTok videos suggested anything. 3,200, ladies and gentlemen. That's what you're playing for right now.
This is the amount of money issued: 1,362,270 euros.
Congratulations. Man, how did you do it? Congratulations, 616 players were successful. Red Soup, 37,558 euro win with that 800. Incredible job, players. Thank you very much for joining us. Now betting time is open. And bets are closed.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.